Alright folks, let's talk TVs. Specifically the Hisense 65-inch class QD7 Series QLED 4K UHD Smart Google TV for 2024, model number 65 QD7N. Yeah, it's a mouthful, but trust me, this TV is worth a closer look. At just $399.99, it's packing some serious features that make it a killer deal. Now, you might be thinking, what's the catch? Well, that's what we're here to find out. We're gonna break down everything this TV has to offer, from its dazzling QLED display to its smart features and that massive 65-inch screen. By the end of this, you'll know if the Hisense 65-inch QD7 deserves a spot in your living room. Let's dive in. So, buckle up because we're about to explore the world of affordable home entertainment and see if this Hisense TV truly delivers on its promises. Stick around. First up, let's break down the jargon. QLED stands for Quantum Dot Light Emitting Diode. Sounds complicated? Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Basically, QLED TVs use tiny, nano-sized particles called quantum dots to produce incredibly vibrant and accurate colors. Think of it like this. Regular LEDs are like a basic box of crayons, while QLED is like having a professional artist set with every shade imaginable. You get a wider range of colors, deeper blacks and brighter whites, making your movies, shows, and games look absolutely stunning. And the best part, unlike some other high-end display technologies, QLED TVs are known for being more affordable, which is a huge win for budget-conscious consumers. So you get amazing picture quality without breaking the bank. Sounds good, right? Now let's talk resolution. The Hisense 65-inch QD7 boasts 4K Ultra HD resolution, which packs 4 times the pixels of your standard 1080p HD TV. In simpler terms, crystal clear detail, sharper images, and an overall more immersive viewing experience. Imagine watching your favorite action movie with explosions so real, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Or picture yourself exploring a breathtaking landscape documentary, where every leaf and blade of grass is rendered in stunning detail. That's the power of 4K. And it's not just about movies and shows. Even your everyday content like YouTube videos or family photos will look sharper and more vibrant on a 4K display. Trust me, once you go 4K, you won't want to go back. But wait, there's more. This Hisense TV isn't just about stunning visuals, it's also a smart Google TV, which means it's packed with features to keep you entertained. Think of it as your personal entertainment hub, right in your living room. With Google TV built in, you get access to a massive library of apps and streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, YouTube, and tons more. No more switching inputs or fiddling with multiple remotes. Everything you need is just a click away. And the best part? Google TV is incredibly user-friendly. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even for those who aren't super tech-savvy. Plus, with Google Assistant built in, you can control your TV, search for content, and even control your smart home devices using just your voice. How cool is that? Now let's talk about size. At 65 inches, this Hisense TV is big, like really big. It's the perfect size to transform your living room into a home theater, giving you that immersive cinematic experience right at home. Imagine gathering your family and friends for movie night and feeling like you're right in the middle of the action. Or picture yourself cheering on your favorite team during the big game as if you were actually at the stadium. With a 65-inch screen, you won't miss a single detail. Of course, the ideal TV size depends on your room size and viewing distance. But for most average-sized living rooms, 65 inches is a sweet spot that provides an immersive experience without feeling overwhelming.